Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone. In today's video, we're going to unbox, set up, and test the Linksys Velop MX8400 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. I'll walk you through the installation process, adding nodes, and finally run a speed test to see how it performs. Let's get started. Step 1. Unboxing the MX8400. Start by unboxing your Linksys Velop MX8400 system. Inside the package, you will find the mesh nodes, power adapters, and an Ethernet cable. The nodes feature a sleek, modern design and are built to deliver high-speed Wi-Fi 6 performance. Make sure all items are included before moving forward. Step 2. Connect the primary node. Connect the primary Velop node to a nearby power outlet using the included adapter. Ensure the connection is secure, then switch it on. Allow the device a few moments to power up and initialize before continuing with the setup process. Now connect it to your modem. Using the Ethernet cable. Power on the device, and wait for the LED light to indicate that it is ready. This node will act as the main router for your mesh network. Step 3. Setup via the app. Download the Linksys app on your smartphone. Open the app, and follow the guided setup process. And the app will automatically detect your MX8400 node and configure it for optimal performance. Step 4. Add additional nodes. Connect the primary Velop node to a nearby power outlet using the included adapter. Ensure the connection is secure, then switch it on. Allow the device a few moments to power up and initialize before continuing with the setup process. If you are unable to set up your Linksys Velop MX8400 or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Step 5. Speed test performance check. Finally, run a speed test using your smartphone or laptop to check performance. You should notice faster speeds, lower latency, and stable connections across your home. This system is ideal for 4K streaming, gaming, and smart home devices. Your Linksys Velop MX8400 setup is now complete. Enjoy powerful, high-speed Wi-Fi coverage in every corner of your home with next-generation Wi-Fi 6 technology. Thanks for watching.